Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this feature I'm going to show you guys is called live listening, and people are going absolutely insane with this feature, and they're making memes all over it. This is going to be a relationship breaker maybe, if you having some suspicions. But it's live listening and it's an iOS 12 feature. If you want to enable it, you go into the settings, you go into the control center, you go into customize controls, and then you just got to look for listening or hearing, I'm saying hearing. And once you enable hearing, you just let me do it like this. Let me remove it. So you just look for hearing and you just tap on it, and there you go. And you can, where you want it, and you can just activate your control center, and there it is right there. It's the ear icon. Now you will need AirPods in order for this to work. So I'm gonna put the AirPods in my ear. Okay, I'm gonna just put one ear in, take this one out, and it's connected. And at any time I can enable it. Once I enable it, you just tap on live hearing, and now I can hear myself. I would say this is handy for like maybe if you're attending a presentation and you all the way in the back seat, you could put your iPhone down, or you have an iPod or whatever iOS device you have that supports the AirPods. Obviously, you can put that device down somewhere and you can sit all the way in the back and still hear that person crystal clear. So there's some scenarios where this thing could come in very, very handy, or what a lot of you guys are thinking, you could put your iPhone down somewhere here, and let's say you have somebody here and they talking mad smack about you while you outside, or you getting a sandwich downstairs or something like that. Then yeah, it could work like that too. This is the, which one is this? This is the Solo 3s. We're gonna put these back in the case just in case. Then we're gonna connect our Solo 3s. Oh, it doesn't work for Solo 3s. Wow, this is interesting. So surprisingly, guys, I just tried to test these on my Beats 3 or Solo 3s, but it just doesn't work. You keep on saying AirPods. So I think you need to have AirPods with this feature. So I'm gonna have this phone downstairs, my secondary iPhone, and then I'm gonna have this phone as well as downstairs too, because obviously the microphone is here. It's getting the mic, and then it gets to the AirPods, and then we're gonna test that out. So we're gonna play this video. I will play it from the top, and then I'm gonna enable it. So I'm gonna turn these on, but as soon as I take my AirPods out, they disconnect. So I'm gonna leave them in my ear so they always connect. All right, guys. So here's my mic right now. And here's the AirPods. I gotta cover a sensor so it doesn't mess it up. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. That's the live listen feature. Everybody's talking about it. I thought it was on iOS 11, but technically it is only on iOS 12 or later. So yeah, I think this alone makes the AirPods worth the money, honestly, because like I said, there's a scenario where you wanna you can't hear, but you can hear more clearly, because you can use this as an amplifier, so you can amplify the sound into your AirPods so you can hear it a little bit more crispier. But then again, you can get into, some beef, you can get into some drama. You can put your iPhone somewhere and then you can spy or listen to your conversation, or if someone's talking mad smack about you, this is an option too. So yeah, so this is just added into the pros list of AirPods. Even though AirPods look silly, they're very, very convenient, and I highly recommend them. I had them for like about 7 months and no complaints with them. The sound quality is good. It's good for the airplanes, and yeah, I would say it's worth the money. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you did find this video informative, I appreciate it with a thumbs up, and comment down below what you guys think about the AirPods. Do you own AirPods? And other than that, your boy Pops. Make sure you guys subscribe with notifications on, and I'm out. Peace. Oh, messed up. Let me do that again.